To add property on Rentigo, simply click on the down arrow button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on Add New Property button from the drop-down menu. A form for adding new property will appear. Now choose purpose for either renting or selling. Choose the package according to your requirement. Choose the property purpose according to your purpose, either residential or commercial. Choose the property type according to your property type, like flat, maisonette, penthouse, house, detached, etc. Choose the rental type, duration. Now specify area, square feet of your property, rent in pound you want to charge, deposit required for property, available from date, for the availability and council tax band if available. If new build, click choose yes. Any housing benefits, choose yes, and if students are allowed, choose yes. Choose the number of bedrooms available for your property. Choose the number of baths available for your property. And choose any other specification of your property. For facilities like hospital, school, supermarket, pharmacy, etc. Specify the distance of the facilities located from your property in miles. For features, tick the box of the features associated with your property. For description, provide the features and description for your property in the description box. For complete property address, enter your property name or number, enter your property street address, enter your property postcode and county, and enter your property city and country. For town, click on Location Input and input your property location by entering the complete postcode, then select the location by clicking on the drop-down generated from your input. For main photo, click on Browse and select the main photo of your property to upload from the manager. To add photos, you can upload more photos by clicking on Browse and selecting single or multiple photos of your property. Also, if you don't have pictures of your property, you can check the box I require Rentigo to get photos for this property. Note, if selected, additional charges plus VAT will be applied. Virtual tour. State your property 360 virtual tour link in the box. If you want to acquire this service from Rentigo, check the I don't have, I would like Rentigo to arrange this. Note, additional charges plus VAT will be applied. EICR certificate. For EICR certificate, click on Browse and select the certificate of your property to upload from the manager. If you don't have the required document of your property, you can check the box I don't have EICR certificate, I would like Rentigo to arrange this. Note, additional charges plus VAT will be applied. EPC Energy Performance Certificate. If you don't have the required document of your property, you can check the box I don't have EPC certificate, I would like Rentigo to arrange this. Note, additional charges plus VAT will be applied. Gas certificate, optional. PAT test certificate, optional. Floor plan, optional. Property license, optional. Please input the current and potential values for EPC graph. Define current and potential energy efficient values in their respective fields. Contact numbers to be displayed on adverts. Property notes, optional. Click on the box to type notes for this property. Check the box for agreeing Rentigo's terms and policy. Click on Submit for Listing button. Now you will see that your property has been saved and is pending for submission. Scroll through and check if anything missing. Now if everything's final, click on Submit for Listing button. If anything missing, it will inform the warning. Note, pay attention to the warnings. Now add the expiry date of the document missing in the form. And finally click on Submit for Listing button. A prompt will pop up, are you sure? Payment dependent fields will be locked for editing after submission. You won't be able to revert this. Note, review the form thoroughly before submitting for approval, as you won't be able to edit major changes. Click on Yes Submit button. It will redirect to the payment section with your order details. Also, you will receive an email for the generated invoice. You can also click on Pay Now, which will redirect you to the payment section. Enter your payment details, card number, expiration, CVC and country. Click on Pay Now button. On payment completion, you will see Payment Completed notification with your transaction ID. You will also receive an email for payment order paid, which includes your transaction ID, receipt, property reference ID, property address with the payment order details. Now wait for Rentigo to approve your property. Once approved, you will receive an email and notification for the property status update by Rentigo. If updated status is listed, you have successfully added and listed your property on Rentigo portal. Rentigo Property Investment Management Solution. Search it, buy it, let it.